What's up, guys? So in this video we got to replace my AC fitting on my Chevy Trailblazer. We recharged the AC system last week, and then when we're driving over the weekend we noticed that the cold air was going away. It was just blowing air. So I inspected the system, and this is what I found. I'll show you a quick clip of it. And this is what I found, guys. You guys see that bubbles? It's leaking out right there. So first things first, we'll just open the hood. This is the AC fitting that I'm talking about. This is the high side. A lot of shops will try to sell you the whole line, but you could just replace this fitting. And now that I'm at it, I'm gonna replace the Schrader valve in the low pressure side. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's go grab the tools. We're gonna grab a 16mm wrench. And let's go get the adjustables. My favorite tool in my toolbox. Alright guys, so before removing the AC fitting and the Schrader valve, make sure you take it to your local shop and have them discharge the AC system before doing that. Okay? So first we're going to put our 16mm wrench at the bottom. Then you grab your crescent wrench, adjustable wrench, whatever you want to call it. Grab the top part and break it loose. Just like that. And I thought it was going to be tighter than that. I guess not. Alright, then you just screw the rest off. You might hear a little slight hiss. That's just vacuum. Hear that? That's just vacuum, guys. Like that. Guys, and that's how that adapter looks like. It's got the O-ring right there. That's that pelota that was leaking. I'll show you guys a new one. And this is the part number, guys. Right there, that's the brand, cap and valve kit. I got this from O'Reilly's. This one comes with the two caps. For your high and low, you got the adapter, and you got the Schrader valve and O-ring. I got a little bit of Freon. I'm gonna put it around the ring, just like that, and just screw it in. Now we got that done. Now let's go do the low side, the Schrader valve. Just grab your tire valve tool. There is an AC line tool for this one, but I'm gonna use my tire one. Just stick it inside and remove the valve. I'm gonna grab a needle nose. You're gonna grip it just like that. There you go. Now we're gonna grab a new one and stick it inside. Just like that. Just push it in a little more and start snugging it down. Remember guys, don't over tighten them. There you go. Just like that. And once you're done putting the adapter and the Schrader valve on, guys, take it to your local shop and have them recharge the AC system. No more leaks. Yep, the pelota is staying strong. Schrader valve look like it's doing good. Guys, and that's it. We fixed the problem. The wife's gonna be happy. She's gonna have her cold air now. See you guys on the next one.